Welcome to part 2 of what is Carrots and Cake. So let me show you how the app works.
So as soon as you download the app, you will have to go through the onboarding and registration process, which will only take a few minutes. Make sure to go through the questions one by one because it will help you to understand how the app works. And let's get started with the app. You'll meet nibbles here who will help your kids to navigate through the app. So there are some gamification elements also in the app to make things more interesting for your kids. So just click next. So as soon as you entered Carrotland, which is this forest looking map, it means that your kids' learning time has started. And to do the learning, first you need to find one of Nibble's friends, which is Neuro. When the learning has started, you will see that all of the other apps in the devices are blocked. Yep. If you open them, so this page will appear. So to get a carrot, you need to help me clear this obstacle. Just click. So this is where your kid will have to do the learning time. And your kid will spend 10 minutes on each. The timing can also be changed. As the time is about to end, you will see that it will exit the learning page automatically and you will earn your carrots. Once your kids have completed all their learning time, they will be brought to Cakeland. Cakeland, which is the free time. So if you go back to your home screen, so you will see all of the apps are unlocked. So that is all for this video. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how you can use Carrots and Cake to manage your kids' screen time.